Yo, what's going on, guys? Really two here. As you see on the screen, I am doing another how to make money tutorial. So basically, as you have 9,323 points, and the value is $3.24. And I made this much in 10 minutes. I got this app 10 minutes ago, and I made this much points. So basically, you do offers and stuff. You get bet points to earn 10 times the points you have. You do surveys. You can scratch and win points. All that stuff. It's pretty cool. And basically, you get points. This is like a lock screen app. So basically, you can make points by opening up your screen. So when you open your phone, you could get 20 points by logging, like sliding to unlock your phone, or 30 points to go in the web. So that's pretty easy. So you can make like up to $100 every 2 weeks, something like that. But no further ado, I'll show you guys my entry code. So basically, I see my code is RIP2YouTube, all lowercase and in one word, no spaces. So basically, we'll both earn 1,250 points. So basically, I earn 1,250 points and you earn 1,250 points. And the only way that can happen if you join Fronto. So download Fronto, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.